Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to book for Netravati Trek on the Aranyavihara app. So this is the link that you need to go to for making your bookings. I'll paste this link in the description so that it is handy for you people. So when you go to this link, this is the page that you will land onto. As you can see, this page is in Kannada. There's this English button over here, so I'll be changing this page to English so that it will be helpful for people who don't know to read Kannada. So when you land on this page, there's this login button. When it takes you to the login page, if you have not registered, you can go over here, click on the register button, and give your name, email, mobile number, password, and details, and register. It's a very quick thing to do. I've already registered, so I'll just be logging into this. Okay, so let me give my details quickly. And login. So once you have successfully logged in, no, you can come down or you can scroll down. Here you can see there's the list of districts. So each of these districts, when you select, no, there are treks in each of them. Like in Kodagu, there are multiple treks. In Chikmagalur, there are multiple treks like this. So what I'm going to book today and show to you is for Netravati Trek. So it's in Dakshina Kannada and Netravati Trek. Okay, so all these bookings, no, the bookings open up 15 days prior, and you must and should book if you're going for a trekking. So without a booking, they're not going to allow you to trek. Here I'm going to book for on 16th. Let's see the availability. Okay, so as you can see, for each day there are 300 tickets available. So and on 16th there are 245 tickets that are available. So if you're booking for a weekend, you need to be quick because they're gone like within seconds. Here, since I'm booking for a weekday, there are still 245 tickets available. Okay, so let me proceed. I'll click on book now. Okay, so it takes you to this add visitors page. Okay, here you need to give in the details of you and the ones who are going to trek along with you. I'll quickly give in my details here. My government ID, what I'm giving is my PAN card, my age, gender, and a mobile number quickly. Okay, you can click on this add visitors button and add your friends' details as well. Okay. Another thing that I need to mention here is that one person can book only up to 3 tickets. Okay, so if you're going in a group, you need to make your friends book parallelly too. Each ticket will be costing you 500, so that's a total of 1000. Get OTP for authentication. Verify your OTP, click on the terms and conditions, and proceed to pay. As you can see, this is the payments page. They accept payment in multiple forms. You can give your credit card, debit card details, net banking, UPI, or even wallet. I'm going to go through UPI as it is quick and easier. Okay, I've done my payment. I've completed my payment. So this is a confirmation that my booking is confirmed. If you click on this button, no, let me open this in a new tab and change it into English. Okay, so you can see my booking is confirmed. I can see my receipts. I can see my receipt. I can view my tickets. So I booked Netravati Trek with the ticket number, order ID, the dates, and a time slot, and the number of visitors. I have to take a printout of this ticket and go there for the checking. Okay, when you click on the send email, the booking details are sent to your email, your registered email for this website. So once this is done, you're done. So again, if you want to make any modifications, you can come back to the same page and do it. You can cancel your tickets. You need to cancel 1 week prior if you need to get the full refund, and you need to cancel at least 3 days prior to get at least 50% refund. That's it, everyone. This is how you book on Aranyavihara app. Let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.